up. See that down there? See that red thing? That's how this thing is going up and up. Mom, I have guns in this. I brought my guns with.
Let me see. Pretty cool, bud.
They're right on the side, right this door.
What kind of truck is this?
A train.
What's it gonna lift?
Me. Mom, this usually goes up to the creeks. Usually can. Well, it was okay.
Stabilizers are on.
Yep. Mom, we'll get up. Get up and go. Mom, watch this thing. Watch the swing. I'm watching the swing. That's what I'm doing. I'm watching this. You stay. Go up. When it starts to click, that means it stops. And then, whoop, 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 whoop. And that's how high it goes.
Stand by it. Let me see.
This
That's
is
pretty
the
tall.
how it goes up.
What are you gonna lift?
This? Something? I don't know.
How about some of your army jeeps?
Yeah, this only Jeep would be good. I'll lift it. Put it down. I'm gonna go. Run up.
Flower. Thank you.
I got the truck. Okay, Mom, he's gonna see what it's gonna do, like how far it goes. This is what the main does on the real stuff. This is how you clean it up. Down. See? Watch the spring. Yep. Get the string. Okay, cool. Chugga, reel it up. Reel up in 48. Reel it up. I'll reel it up. That's how you reel it up. See, the string's going up and up and up. See, seeing what's going around? That's the motor it's coming from. Oh, I'm gonna run still later. Run it up. Okay, wheel. Mom, he's sick. This is a long way up. So it reaches. Mom, he's on the freeway. He's gonna ride up on the pool. Ah, timber. I'm gonna go down this swiveling. Okay, I'm gonna go down the big slide. Watch this. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, I'm stuck. Help me. Mom, someone has to go help him.
Who's gonna tow him out?
Boop, boop. Boop. Bump, bump. Beep, 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 beep. Thank you. crook. Hang in the crook. Hang in the crook. Hook up the crook. It's good. Don't go high. I will do my best. I'm doing my best, am I? No, you just wheel me up. I am. Do you need me to turn? Yep, turn. There we go. Okay. Reel up, reel up, reel up. Okay, what does it look like? I got up at the ground. I can see you lifting me up. Is it lift up? I can feel I'm pushing the buttons. And I'm located. I'm located. And I'm at the top. I'm dead. Help! Help me! I'm in. I'm getting my age out. Deep, deep. Oh, my gate! Oh my God! It cracked. It cracked. The candy came out. The candy came out. I didn't know I was gonna find the egg. I didn't know that. I'm really, really, really lucky. I think this was from last Easter, and they hide it there.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think that's from last Easter. Okay, swing around. Ah! Ah! Put right there. Unhook. Going into the door. Going into the door. Oh no, I got stuck in the door. How will I ever get out? Ha ha ha! I'll grind. I'll grind all the way to the studio. I'm grinding up the studio. Yay! Zoom! I'm gonna do it. Put cement right there. That's okay. Three. And then we go dig a hole. This man's gonna go there. This man too, because he's gonna dig the hole. He's the one who's gonna dig the hole. Look at all this. Gotta dig up all this dirt. We can fill it in. Okay, it's filled in. Look, he filled it in. Oh, that's all the cement. Okay, we're going to dig this up. We're going to dig a road. We're going to make a road. We're going to make it in the strip. Going to make it down. Going to make it around. That's what I always say. We're going to bring the crane. Get the crane. Used to make, look, it stops. Because that means if it's gone, so we can't go. That means it's stuck. Lock. That's how it locks. He's just twisting this around. So that's how we, and then chuck it in there on the mirror and lift his own self up. You know? Lift yourself up. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Lift, 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 lift. Sorry. Lift, 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 lift. Okay, I didn't lift myself up, but I got tight. I need to get tight.
Ro, who is this?
Come back, caller. I got my stabilizer. Whoa. Ooh. Okay, good to go. Okay, hit the wheel, hit the wheel, hit the wheel, dude. Mom, I put the stabilizers out.
Good job.
It's smushed. I threw it in the dirt. Now hook. What's it hooked up to? Wait, what? It's under my truck. It's under. You see? It's under around. Okay, put the stabilizers out. Put the other stabilizer out. Okay. Good. Box up the dirt. Okay. Make some more dirt. Okay, pull up these weeds. Okay. Pour the cement. Okay. Then they're gonna start here. I'm digging up the dirt to make it look like this is sand, like dirt.
Like cement?
Yes, cement. Cement. To make it look like cement.
What's he building?
He's just putting cement there. He's gonna build a road.
Where's your guys?
Oh, one guy's there. A guy's inside there. We're gonna twist it around. A guy's inside there, twisting around. And then out. Well, I'm gonna go call my other friends. Oh, that hurt. Okay, they just drive into the dirt. Drive right there. Okay, move the stabilizer. Pull it over there. Okay, get out. Why are you so difficult to get out? Difficult. Okay. Dig this hole. We're gonna have a base. This is gonna be the other resources over here in the dirt, because that's gonna be their station. This is their station. This man's honored their station to be this. Okay. All gonna go over here into this big. How you level it up? Level a column. See? Watch me do this. See up, going up, 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 up. Okay, it's up. Now, what he's gonna do? Keep it up there. And then put the stabilizers out. Cement makes it read. Because that's where he's going. There. Going to read. Those ads. Those ads and M. Ads and M. Okay, go make this down. Okay, save some dirt for later. This is an empty bit. That's where you put your supplies. Oh, your dirt. In case you need dirt for filling the hole in. Okay, I'm gonna keep it open. I'm gonna bring this all home. I'm just gonna take these guns out.